So here I got the bed assist rail from Whomec. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Questions I was seeing is, what was the assembly time like for this bed rail? The second question I was seeing is, what thickness of mattress does it work with? And the third question was, is this grab bar sturdy? Like I said, I'm going to answer all those for you and hopefully help you out or answer any questions for you along the way. But let's get on that first question. What was the assembly time like? So basically was no assembly time to it. Comes in 3 pieces. All you got to do is pop them into place with some pins. Really easy, and then you just screw on this with an Allen wrench, but they give you that Allen wrench. You got to screw in 2 bolts if you want the grab rail on there, and then pop a couple pins into place, and you are good to go. The second question I was seeing is, what thickness mattress does this work on? So my mattress is actually pretty thick. It's a 14-inch mattress, so that would be on the thicker side of mattresses. A lot of them are 8 to 10 inches. So as you can see here, even a thicker 14-inch one, you're good to go. You could even have a 16-inch one, and you'd be good to go. And then obviously any 8 or 10-inch or 6-inch one is going to work for you. So it should be able to work for whatever type of mattress that you do have. And now for the final question, how sturdy are these grab bars? So they are on here with big bolts and an Allen wrench. They're not going anywhere. You can hold up to 300 pounds. Personally, I'm 200, but as you can see here, I can hang on this like a monkey bars. I'm not going anywhere. This thing is sturdy, and I don't even have the strap on it. I just slide it underneath the mattress. That's how I do with all of them that I install, and they work perfectly fine, and they're easier to take off too. So overall, it's a great tool if you struggle to get in and out of bed, or maybe a loved one does. This will take a minute to put together and install on your bed, and it should make life a whole lot easier. So I'm a happy customer. Give it 2 thumbs up.